It's cold, I'm very tired, but it's another glorious day here at our Rancho Kids Camp for winter 2018. I'm actually pretty darn pumped for today. Today we've got a beach trip, which is always super duper fun. It's a change, I love change, and it's gonna be a great time. But before then, we've got session. It's kind of terrifying. This time I'm actually going up on stage to get some photographs and video, and I'm like, oh poop. But it's okay, we got this, we'll be crazy, we'll need some energy drinks. Kinda owes me some, and if he doesn't turn up with them, I'm just gonna call it right there. But anyway, it's time to stop talking, wish this guy a happy birthday, and head on inside. Session over, we're just heading to the beach now. It's a nice walk with beautiful scenery and genuinely just normally a good time. I tend to say that about everything, well, at least I'm being honest.